Before you begin, remove the service cover, hard disk drive cover, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, and top cover. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Remove the speakers from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.